learners, welcome back to my YouTube classes. This is Kavya Chijjeri here with a SSLC model science question paper along with the answers for your upcoming exams, that is 2025-2026. So for each detailed question and answers, stay till the end. Again, if you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe and do comments also. So let's get started. So B question, what is esterification? How ethene is obtained from ethanol? So as you can see here, this is the experimental setup. So esterification is the reaction between alcohol and the carboxylic acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form ester and water. Here, alcohol and carboxylic acid react together to form ester. Okay, so this process is called as esterification, that too in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, next, esterification means here there will be a fruity smell of ester, means this ester is used in the perfumes and all. So how ethanol can be converted to ethane, or how ethene is obtained from ethanol? As you can see here, ethanol is heated at a certain temperature to form ethene by dehydration, means the water content present in the ethanol is removed again to form the ethene, that is unsaturated compound. Okay, so this was about this question. Let's go to the next question. So here is our question. So or question of the same question. Okay, A question, write the dot structure of nitrogen and propane molecules. Write the dot structure of nitrogen and propane molecules. So nitrogen N2, so it can be written like this. So this is a dot structure, nitrogen molecule N2, that is triple covalent bonds. So we have 3 bonds here, so triple covalent bonds. Dot structures show the valence electrons and the bonding pairs involved in the covalent bond formation. So this dot structure tells us about how many valence electrons are there and bonding pairs involved in the covalent bond formation. Here they are mentioning covalent bond. So these are not ionic bonds. There is no gain or loss of electrons. Here there is a sharing of electrons. That means the covalent bonding. Okay, so propane, that is C3H4, that is alkyne with triple bond. As you can see here, 3 carbon atoms and which has 4 hydrogen atoms which has triple bond here. So this is the best example, or this is the structural formula or structural representation of the propane. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Okay, as you can see here, the question is, explain the cleansing action of a soap on dirt. So just look at this figure. There is a hydrophobic tail, as you can see here, hydrophobic tail, this black one. So this attracts the oil. Okay, so hydrophilic head. So these balls like structure are the hydrophilic head which attracts the water. So this attracts the oil and this attracts the water. So here what happens, once these attracts the oil and dirt, so here the grease or dirt particles are accumulated. Again this forms the micelle, means micelle formation will be occurring. So let's see, soap molecules have 2 ends. The hydrophobic tail dissolves in oil and the hydrophilic head dissolves in water. The oil gets trapped inside a micelle and is washed away with the water. So this is the cleansing action of the soap.